The third fix is to restart iMessages. So if you are using iMessage app, simply turn off iMessage, wait for a few seconds and turn iMessage back on. The fourth fix is to reset network settings. For this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset and tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and tap on reset network settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you. Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone not sending text messages problem. So the first fix is to check network settings. Go to settings, tap on mobile service or cellular and choose network selection and make sure automatic is turned on. The second fix is to verify message settings. For this, choose message, then settings home page, choose messages. Make sure messages is turned on. Verify the correct phone number and email ID is selected.